Bacon cheeseburger meatloaf is full of crumbled bacon and cubed cheddar cheese and covered in a ketchup and mustard glaze. To make it, grab a large mixing bowl. To the bowl, add 1.5 pounds of ground chuck, some cubed cheddar cheese, 2 large eggs, a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 cup quick cooking oats, a 1/2 cup finely chopped onion, a 1/4 cup finely chopped dill pickles, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. To make the glaze, mix together a 1/2 cup ketchup, a 1/4 cup of yellow mustard, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Place the ground beef mixture in a baking dish and shape it into a meatloaf, and then pour the glaze on top. Bake for 45 minutes and then sprinkle some more cheddar cheese, bacon, and pickle slices on top. Return to the oven for another 15 minutes. I hope you'll enjoy this fun and tasty twist on meatloaf.